Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Mo. Welcome back. We got Thursday, April 17th. Um, Yesterday was first day on my Top Step account. As y'all saw, as I posted a screenshot at the end of the video, I did end up before I left for work, I did end up closing that trade at 225 because I realized that you can't hold trades. That's another rule in this account is you can't hold trades um, past like market close when it closes at like 4:10 or something like 4 p.m. like Eastern time. So yeah, I didn't want to take that risk of like being at work and you know I don't know, I guess just not even securing my profits or nothing, so that's why I just closed. Yeah, I made 225 yesterday. Small little trade to start the account, but yeah, so let's get straight into it. So today we have we had unemployment claims and we have no more news for the rest of the day, so let's look at the daily. Market is about to open in a minute. Let's see, I still am bearish, honestly, but we'll see what happens. But I definitely am bearish still. So let's go on here for our, yeah, we're kind of just been creating structure still. What is this, London high? Yeah, we have London high right here. So I maybe like to see this get manipulated and then for it to continue to sell. So looking for that to get manipulated, or obviously we got this low here, which is actually equal lows. So boom. We'll be looking for one of these. Yeah, like I said, I like to see market come up here first and then start selling down. So right here, actually, I definitely see the market dumping from here. Look at this. We respected this perfectly. If we maybe come up into here, I'd maybe actually be interested in this already. I ain't gonna lie. Only 30 points. It's not bad. Hold on, yo. I might be interested in taking a short here. If we do come up, maybe enter two contracts there. I don't know if we will though. But if we do want to come up and maybe like soup this high and get to that equilibrium. Hold on, let's go in the 1 minute here. Let's go in the 15-second here. Yeah, I could definitely see if we get pushed back up into this 30-second for value gap, I'd maybe actually be interested in entering a sell already because the risk isn't bad. Let's see if it wants to come up though. I don't know if it will. Might just want to run because we did already fill that 1 minute. Yeah, I might just want to run. Man, that was actually perfect already. That was at right at 9:30. Damn. Yeah, we are dumping like a motherfucker. We're holding this 15-minute gap too. Nas do not be giving a fuck, bro. When this bitch wants to dump, bro, this bitch will dump. Like, look at this shit, man. This high right here. I was taking liquidity. I'm curious to see if it'll expand, displace to that high. Okay, y'all. So we just have the taking of this south side liquidity. We have this high and we're about to displace through it. So I kind of like this as a buy model. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if we get a fair value gap formed here. If we enter this fair value gap, I'm entering two contracts. Hold on. This is an aggressive drop right here. Let's see how it reacts. Okay, yeah. No longer looking for this buy. No longer looking for this buy here. It's just a retracement. Selected this, selling down. We're in this fair value gap here, but we did aggressively push through this high. Hold on, y'all. I like this again. I like this for the buy again. But we're probably gonna respect this. Fuck. It's gonna make this a little bit more confusing, but actually I do, no. This is a change of the state right here. I want to see it pull back. Gotta enter one of these for value gaps for me to enter. I'm waiting. Come on, drop down. Drop down. Order filled. I don't give a fuck. I'm entering now. See what happens, y'all. Obviously, it could drop down into this for value gap here too. I feel like I can't be mad about this loss, bro. Like, So change it to state. Fib, this is literally my setup. 330 for 780 is beautiful. Okay, that was a great reaction at the 50%. Let me look at the other time frames, make sure I'm not tweaking. Ah, fuck. Okay, yo, I could see if we do lose, it's because look, I mean, we are respecting the fuck out of this 2 minute, right? If we gotta push through this 2 minute, honestly. Okay, good rejection again right here. This is good, and we're gonna definitely, yeah. I want to see a push. I want to see a push through this 2 minute right here. Back down to the 50%. We gotta hold this. I think it's time. I think it's time. Y'all know what time it is, bro. Y'all kind of get the memo now. I think I should leave. Should I leave alone? Well, we're fucked. This is a good loss. It's gonna go hit stop, but that's fine. Hey, like I said, yo, I'll take this every single time. This is my setup right here. It just didn't play out. It is what it is. Order failed, so I don't over leverage. I'm only losing 330 on a 50K. That's not shit. If you put it into perspective, bro, I ain't losing shit. I'm gonna lose because we respected the fuck out of this 2 minute. I need your love right now, baby. Ooh, I'm not on no drugs right now. It's the truth. I apologize for you looking like a fool. Back, homie, better get out my way. Worry about your problems while they over my case. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how we're still in this trade. Care about his Rex. Maybe through backtest when I review this trade, maybe you wait for it to inverse this gap and then I could enter. I don't know. Like I said, bro, this is textbook. I'm taking this every time. Markets just been like, the markets in general just definitely been strange, man. We're in strange times, bro. Like, because 8 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10, this model hits. But lately, I feel like it really hasn't been hitting. I mean, it has. I've seen, no, it definitely has. The risk is good as fuck. I'm only risking 330. I fuck with this micro contract shit because it's like 330 on a 50K is not shit. And my max drawdown is 2,000. Like I said, 330 on the two, like, it's not bad at all. We know we can make this back. With my risk rewards, we know we can make this back easy. So plus more. So one trade like this, you can't let one trade discourage your model like this. Like people, some traders, like when they're new, and I used to do the same shit because I used to bounce from strategy to strategy, like especially when I was like learning like retail and shit, like support resistance, candlestick patterns. I was using a bunch of indicators, using different ones when I thought they wouldn't work, using different strategies, candle like fourth candle sequence, fucking quarter levels, all this shit, and it's like I kept switching because I would lose and I'd be like, oh, this shit doesn't work. Here, when your model presents itself and it doesn't play out, that's fine. You have to know like your model's not invalid. That doesn't make your strategy like means that it's broken. It just didn't work out that day. You know what I mean? There's different context. Obviously, you're respecting this 5 minute, you're respecting this 2 minute. Like, there's just different context to trades. And yeah, and obviously, I mean, I could have said, like, you know, we are bearish probably, you know, on the higher time frames too. So that's probably why. But I saw my model, I took it, I entered, and yeah, it is what it is. That's why you don't over leverage. So even when you lose, it's just like, oh, well, yeah, I lost, but I didn't lose much. I didn't over leverage. Good. We followed my rules. We're straight. So probably going to hit stop on this next candle. Honestly, I have no idea how it hasn't hit yet. Oh, here we go. Once we inverse this, I knew we were going to lose. So I've been accepting this bitch for 10 minutes now. But yeah, definitely once this hits my SL, I'm done for the day. Obviously, there's no more trading for me today. Bro, just drive and hit my SL, bro. I accepted it. Just do it. Like, what the fuck? Just do it, bro. Literally just do it. There you go. Order failed. Shit. Well, all right, y'all. You know, that's definitely done for the day. $337 loss. Go over the trade one more time. So we traded under liquidity right here. And then if we look on the, if we just look on the 1 minute, or we could go on the 2 minute as well. Look in the 1 minute. After taking that liquidity, what did we do? We created a short-term high. Cool. Displaced up, breaking structure. We entered like somewhere here, and then yeah, it just hit stop, and it is what it is. And it's definitely just because higher time frames we are, I guess I would say, bearish. And like I said, this was a good loss. This is my setup. I would take this every single time. Every single time. I'm not hesitating to take this. If I don't take these trades, like I can literally pull up. Let me pull up a win. This is the same exact trade right here. Look at this. This is obviously last year sometime, but this is just what I have in my like notes and my computer. Same exact trade as this. Hold on, let me boom. Same exact trade as this. Boom. Look. Sell, displacement, fair value gap, respected it, boom. Literally same exact model, bro. Same exact model. Or we could even do like y'all just get the y'all get it, bro. Y'all get it. I don't even gotta really say no more. When it's my setup and I lose my setup, bro, I don't care. I really don't care. Like I know I followed my rules. I know I was patient for this. And yeah. I still wish we would have caught this sell here. This would have been a nice little scalp here to here, boom. Would have been done, but it is what it is. Then we waited for my setup to form. My setup did form and just didn't play out. But all right, y'all have a good one. Let's go.